in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for small streams in central Somerset County in northern New Jersey, north central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 5:15 a.m. At 1:21 a.m., Middlebrook at Burnt Mills was above flood stage. The Lamington River at Burnt Mills was approaching flood stages with Greenbrook in Plainfield. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.